Now we're going to talk about grouping and arranging and order. So I'm starting with the slide that I had last time, and I have um, a couple of shapes here that I'm going to want to put together. Now I can just move this one over on top of that, but let's say that I want to make sure that they are perfectly aligned. And I'm going to select both of them and go to the Arrange tool and go to Align. And I'm going to say I want them first centered, and that puts them in line that way. And then I'm going to go back to the Arrange again, Align, and this time I'm going to say Middle. So now they're perfectly arranged and aligned. But if I were to move, only one of them would go. So if I select them again, now I can go to the Arrange and say Group. Now it has put those together as one item. And so when I move it, only one move, or they move together. Now I can copy them. Since this is an eye, I'm going to copy that. And when I paste, then I have another eye. But again, I want to make sure that my eyes are aligned because, otherwise I might look a little kooky. So I select both of them, go to the Arrange, Align, and this time I just want them in the middle so that they are aligned this way. And then I'm going to, again, let's see, I'm going to go over here, I'm going to put them on the face, and I'm going to then maybe select the face and the eyes, all of that. And I'm going to then say group these. So it has grouped all of them. So if I move the face, the eyes move with it. And notice when you're moving things, you get that little guide tool that will tell you it's centered like that, and you can drop it. But notice my hair is behind my face shape. So this has to do with the order. So if I select the hair, I can go up to the top to Arrange and to Order and say bring it forward or bring to the front. If I do that, then it's on top and the face is behind. So I can move that face. If I want the face to be in front, I can just go back and say I've selected the face and tell the face to come forward. I can also choose send to back for something. If I want to send it backwards or bring it forward, and it's all in layers. Now I can also have things centered on the page, either vertically. Oh, let's see, you have to have something selected. So I'm going to go back up here. I can center it on the page horizontally or vertically. If I do that, notice these weren't grouped together, so it just moved the hair. And I can also, let's see, we've centered, we've grouped, and we've arranged. You can group multiple things. So we have the face, the eyes grouped together. We can then group again the hair with the eyes, but you notice that you have an ungroup as well. So when you've grouped things together, you can also ungroup them in orders. And that just makes it easier to move things. They don't have to just be shapes. You can do that with pictures too. You can put things together in shapes and pictures and text boxes. If you want the text boxes, say columns, to move together, then you can group those as well. So the grouping, arranging, and aligning are very handy handy tools.